Guys, good morning. How are you doing? Me, I'm already wake up. My God. Not yet. At 6 a.m. We are at still at 5:45 a.m. and yeah. So I heard some birds. Anyways, like this time when I'm at home, I like to wake up early because of the class, and I even not live nearby the school. But you guys, can you see this? I don't know what's this, but I will try to go to look for the medicine of this one. Cause yeah, that's why wake up. But oh my God, the view from here is really amazing. I can spot some volcanoes and there's some island. Oh my God, guys, let me show you how it looks like. Wow. So guys, this is the view right now. Wow, can you see the tent there, and you see the small island, and you can see the volcanoes. Can see like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are all of them. I can hear someone is waking up. I don't know if you from here. Wow. Turajyahe bonjour inyota ego thirsty. Oh my God, it's early in the morning. I don't know if I'm going to sleep again. But today it looks like it's gonna rain. My goodness, let's pray that today gonna have a good weather, otherwise it can be very bad. So this is the view from here. OMG. Let me go down and I show you around. So these are the two tents are here. Wow, they are looking so nice. I like them. And that is the volcanoes. Yeah, this is the first one, but there's still some smoke on the top. But as the sun shining, the smoke are evaporating, and that is the other one. So let me go down at the lake as I continue showing you. Yeah, anyway, this place is so nice. My God, I'm really in love with it. So this is my second time to come here, but I feel like I've never been here. Wow. And the bamboo on the other side, and this is the sugar cane plantation. Yeah, so here, this is the restaurant. Here is the, yeah, this is the restaurant. So let me continue going down. And this is another space where we were at last night for the campfire and the movie. That's where the monitor did it, the projector. And wow, I really like this pathway. You see, there are some stone and there are some some grasses inside. So let's continue going down, then we'll show you the place. Yeah. I found other people are coming here. Just morning guys. Yeah, so wow. So here on the east side there is another tent. As we continue down, it makes you fit, you know. If you are going up, you carry fit. Wow, another place you can come and You relax, you sit there, you relax a little bit. This is the water side. The water are looking briny, green somehow. So this is how the water. Oh my God! You know when you are sitting at the lake, you feel like you are going. You see how the water are moving. Then when you look into them, oh my God, you feel like dizzy, you know. But anyways, oh my God, can you see how the smoke are evaporating? The Muhabura volcano. Yeah, this one with the smoky on the top. Yeah. So yeah, guys, let me leave you. Then I prepare myself because soon we are going for hiking. And yeah, so now it's time to take the pictures. Wow. The sea was here.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi everything.
Hi everything.
My name is Chanel.
Hi everything. Because it's her style.
The breakfast view. Patri, watu baba ni pisi jani Patri.
Ndarenga.
No, the worst part. Kayaking.
For hiking, as you see, I have my and I have my sunglasses. Of course, you can see sun. And here, this is the rain jacket. You know the weather from here, it can change at any time. So you see, I'm ready for hiking. So yeah guys, now the hiking is starting. It's going to take like 3 hours, go and come back. Yeah. Yeah. Anyways, let's enjoy our adventure. See you. Oh, the cyclist. continue hiking up is more we see the beautiful view. Yeah, so we are still walking on the other side of the green banana plantation. Yes. So guys, that's where we are going to start hiking in order to see the Twin Lakes. We will be at the top of this mountain, but oh my god, I'm so tired and so thirsty. Wow, have a look. Wow, the nice view. So guys, now we are not starting that mountain I have told you. See, it's next to no trees around. I don't know how this mountain, if there is no soil. 1 p.m. So guys, now we have started to spot the Twin Lakes. See, woo! Okay. So finally guys, we are reached on the top where we will see the difference between those lakes. Yeah, so this is the difference. You see on this side here, this is a Borea, and then this is where we are staying at Ruhondo. Yeah, so this is the final view. I was so excited to see there's the lakes. So this is the where we passed through from there up to here, continue here, continue up here, then we hike these it is like the naked mountain because there is no tree. Yeah, so guys, let me know how do you see this view, if you are enjoying it like how I'm enjoying it. Oh my god, the fresh air from here. Wow, this is the pure fresh air. That's the Twin Lakes. The one, you know, in the sea air from there, it's mixed with the car fuel, those things. It's the mixture of the many things. Yeah. Guys, finally it's raining. Oh wow. Guys, now it starts raining. So yeah guys, now I'm back from hiking, and I'm going to take shower, then I go to have my lunch. Yeah, this is the later lunch. But anyways, so yeah guys, now I'm done preparing myself and I have to switch off the light. It's time for lunch. So this is the lunch, guys. This is the fish, the chips, and the green banana, and there's some salads. Yeah. That's the dinner. Yeah, it's time for morning, guys. Some people are trying to learn how to fish. Hey, see that one? Then I'm telling you, who? Okay, we go. Oh, la, la. Okay, now it's time to go back. You have to go back. Okay. Ego. Ikamanza sasa.
Nindije kujya imbere.
Hey. Duce kuri runo ruhande. Ndabona ari rwiza, hari view nziza kweli.
Ndagasa nshyira hehe?
Subiza.
Jyana imbere.
Jyana imbere.
Gutya. Hano ufata amata yo hejuru.
Sinashingagamo hasi mwe. Wow.
Nakuri uru ruhande. Sigara.
So yeah guys, now we are done eating the breakfast. We are going to leave in few minutes, but oh my god, I'm really in a hurry because yeah, so now I'm going to pick my bag because we are late a little bit. And yeah, so you see my stuff, you see the bed. Oh my god, it's looking so messy. And there, so this is the view from our room. Yeah, so goodbye. So now I'm ready to go. So goodbye, our beautiful room. Yeah, but it's still raining a little bit. Yeah, so bye bye our room. Let me close the window here. And yeah. So guys, now we are on the way to go back, but we have a truck stop of the waterfall. So yeah.
ariko iyi nzira ni iyindi patiri kuko ntabwo twaciye hano ntabwo twiwe duca kwinjira zesikariye mani ntazo twaciye
Hamanuka ndenda kumanura umuvandimwe uri inyuma ntabwo ari buhamanuka